Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Profit Arena. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the concept of the financial market. I'll be explaining what trading is all about, the misconceptions about trading, and walk you through the whole process so you can have a solid understanding of what the financial market is all about, right? I understand some of you have zero knowledge of the financial market, and because of that, you feel the whole thing is abstract, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be explaining all you need to know about the financial market, all right? Now, what is trading? Trading involves buying and selling financial assets with the aim of making profits. Now, these financial assets could be currencies like GBP, USD, could be euros, could be, crypto assets like BTC, like Ethereum. It could be stocks like Apple, like Amazon, like Tesla, right? So you can actually buy any of these financial assets or sell, right, with the aim of making profits. Now we have different types of trading. We have number one, swing trading. Swing trading involves buying a particular financial asset and holding it for a few days, right? It means you can decide to buy Bitcoin, BTC, and hold it for a few days, right? Until when you're profitable and you can decide to sell, right? We refer to that type of trading as swing trading. We also have day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling equities within the same day, right? Day trading. So you buy and you hold that equity for for a few hours, right? Within the same day, and you sell it for profit, or you buy for profit, whichever way. Then we have number three, position trading. It involves taking a position in the market and holding it for years and months. It means you can decide to buy, Bitcoin and hold it for years, right? With a hope of making profit. Then lastly, we have scalping. Scalping is a technique where a trader or an investor buys and sells individual stock multiple times in a day, right? You see a little move you buy, or you see a sell move you sell, and you take profit, and then you come back again, you buy and sell. You just repeat the same thing, or probably either you're buying, or you're selling, right? Within the same day, or you can be buying and selling within the same day multiple times. When this type of traders, we refer to them as scalpers, right? They don't have the patience to hold trade for a very long time. They just want to, be in and out and done with it, right? So these are the different types of traders or different type of trading that we have, right? Now, next thing we're going to talk about is the types of financial assets, right? Like foreign exchange, like currencies, right? Like cryptocurrency, like stock, like binary options, like synthetic indices and futures, right? But for the purpose of this mentorship program, we are only going to be focused on Forex, crypto, and stocks. Now, so what is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. Now, the foreign exchange is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. The FX market, or the Forex market, is the largest financial market in the world, with over $7.5 trillion traded on a daily. So you can imagine the kind of liquidity that the Forex market has, right? This is where the big banks, the big institutions play, right? This is where they trade. So this is where the central bank of your nation trade, right? And we have different types of currency pairs, right? We trade currencies against each other. We exchange one currency for the other, right? We trade one currency against the other. So we have different type of currency pairs. We have lots of them. Um, few example, we have GBP USD. Now GBP is the British pounds, right, against USD, right? These two combinations refer to them as a pair, right? Currency pair. So GBP USD. So now what we do basically is when GBP is buying, it means USD will be selling, right? It means the strength of GBP is stronger than USD for that particular point in time. So if you're buying GBP USD, it means you are saying that GBP will outperform USD, right? So, and if that is correct, you're going to make profit. Also, when you're selling GBP USD, you are saying that USD will be stronger than GBP. Remember, the first currency, right? In a currency pair, the first currency takes the position of the buys, right? If that currency is strong enough, if that's strong, for example, GBP USD, right? GBP comes first before the USD. So if you're buying this GBP USD, it means you're saying that GBP is going to outperform USD. But if you're selling it, you're saying USD is going to outperform GBP. So whenever you come across a currency pair, know that, have this in mind, that the first currency, take the position of the buys, while the second currency take the position of the sell, right? For example, if you want to sell Euro USD, you are saying that USD is going to outperform Euros. That's why you're selling it. But if you're going to buy Euro USD, you are saying that Euros is going to outperform USD, right? So this is how the currency pairs work. Now, the next one is crypto, right? What is cryptocurrency? Now, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, which is an alternative form of payment. Now, these cryptocurrencies are created using encryption algorithm, right? And one fascinating thing about the cryptocurrency is that they function both as currencies and also as virtual accounting system, because any transaction you make on the cryptocurrency space, right, would be recorded, right? They will be recorded, and nobody can actually edit those recordings, right? So they function both as currencies and also as virtual accounting system. Now, examples of cryptocurrency, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Cardano, we have Litecoin, and you can trade cryptos. You can actually buy cryptos and hold it, and you can also trade cryptos on futures, right? We'll talk about that later in this mentorship program. Now, the next thing is stocks, right? Stocks, I believe we all know what stocks are, right? Buying a share of a company, hoping the company is going to perform very well, and or hoping the company is going to, crash, right? Or they are going to maybe lose uh, their shares is going to fall, right? Remember, in this market, in this financial market, we sell or we buy, right? So we don't care if a share is not, if a stock market or if a stock is not doing so great, you can actually sell. You can decide to sell the stock, right? And you can decide to buy and hold the stock for a long time. So if you're buying and your analysis is right, you make profit. And if you are selling and your analysis is correct, you're also going to make profit. So we are not attached to just buying, right? We can buy and we can sell. So we are traders. Now, I believe we now understand. This is just a crash course on trading and the financial instruments, right? The next thing we'll be talking about, I don't want to make this video lengthy, so that's why I just decided to, give a brief summary. The next thing we'll be talking about is the misconceptions about trading, right? The number one is that trading is a scam. I've heard a lot of people say this, that trading is a scam. But of a truth, trading is not a scam, right? Like I already told us that the Forex market holds 7.5 billion, sorry, 7.5 trillion market capitalization in a day, per day. So you can imagine a market where 7.5 billion, trillion dollars is being traded. How can that market be scammed, right? The financial market or the Forex, the crypto, the stocks market is not a scam. But then you can be scammed by a broker, right? You can be scammed by a broker in the name of trading or in the name of Forex, right? You can also be scammed by account managers, people that, tell you they'll manage your account for you, and at the end of the day, they run away with your money. That is not Forex or that is not crypto. Those are account managers, right? So they scammed you using Forex. It doesn't mean that trading is a scam. It doesn't mean that crypto is a scam, right? And also you can be scammed by marketers. These persons that promote platforms and all of that promise you very high ROI and all of those things. So you can be scammed through those channels, but trading itself is not a scam, right? Trading is very, very, very reliable. Trading is legal, right? In all countries, trading is legal. The second misconception about trading is that Forex or trading is a form of gambling. Yes, I've heard this debate over and over again that trading is a form of gambling. Now, why trading or Forex or crypto involves risk? Unlike gambling, trading involves proper risk management, number one. It involves detailed technical analysis using data, using past data and the present data, right? Number two. And number three, it involves fundamental analysis, right? Fundamental analysis is, news about or analysis of a particular economy. For example, you can decide to do a fundamental analysis of GBP, right? You can know what is going on in Britain, and with that, with the news and the economic performance, you can actually tell what is going to happen with the currency, right? And also, as traders, as professional traders, we don't predict the market, right? That's gambling. Predicting the market is the way of the gamblers. We don't predict the market. We only react to the market, right? So when you've done your technical analysis and your fundamental analysis and your risk management in play and your psychology in good shape, you wait for the market to, you wait to react to the movement of the market. When the market gives you all of your confirmations and everything that all the analysis you've done based on the past events in the market, right? Then you can react based on the history of the market, not trying to predict. So this is where we are different, right, from gamblers. The number three misconception is you need a lot of money to trade. This is not true. This is not true. Now, just like in every other business, capital is very, very crucial, right? Capital is important in any business, and trading is no different. But if you master your skill, if you're committed to learn and master your skill, you can trade any amount, right? With Derive, you can trade as low as $1. You can trade synthetic with as low as $1, $2. You can trade, right? So you don't really need a lot of money to trade. You just need to be skilled, right? And you can trade any amount. Now, the last misconception I want to talk about here is that trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. This is very wrong. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading is a get-rich for sure, but not a get-rich-quick. Just like in every other business, you have to, be patient with trading. You have to be patient, right? You have to put in the work, be patient, and it will eventually pay off, right? So those are the misconceptions. I think those are the most common misconceptions of trading I've come across. Now, which of these misconceptions resonate with you, right? Which of these these misconceptions you've had in the past, right? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if maybe if there's one I skipped or one I forgot, you can let me also know in the comment section, right? So the third thing we'll be talking about is how to, now having understood what trading is and having dealt with some of the misconception about trading, the number three thing is how to win in this game, right? How to win and how to stay winning. The number one thing I'll talk about here is get a mentor. Yes, get a mentor. That's the number one thing. Now, you all are lucky because you're getting this mentorship program for free. So this is me giving you a free mentorship program. And this is the number one thing you need, right? You need somebody that would comprehensively guide you all through the market. You need a structured mentorship, a methodic mentorship, right? If you want to just go randomly on YouTube and watch a lot of videos and all of those things, you might not become a trader, or you might even lose so much money. This is where people get it wrong. They feel they can just come on YouTube and just search for videos about Forex and become a profitable trader. That's not how it works. You need a mentor that would actually arrange this program, methodically mentor you, right? So you don't skip any steps. And that is what you're going to be getting on this channel. I would arrange the videos, I arrange the course content, right, in a way that would build you to become a profitable trader. So the number one thing is getting a mentor. Number two is be ready to put in the work, right? You have to be serious. You have to be ready to put in the work. Nothing good comes easy, right? Trading is no different. You have to put in the work if you actually want to win or if you want to stay winning in this game. Number three is have a strong why. Have a strong why. Have a strong reason why you want to become a trader. Why do you want to be a trader? What is that thing that, motivates you to be a trader? You might want to write it somewhere, right? Write the reason somewhere because you're going to revisit the reason. Because when the going gets tough, you need to know your why. That's what is going to keep you going in this market. Or yes, in this career path. That's what is going to keep you going. So sit quietly and think of the reason why you really want to be a trader, right? Is it for the money? Is it for the freedom that comes with trading? I think for me, freedom is actually one of the reasons why I want to be a trader, because with trading, I can trade from the comfort of my bed. I can be anywhere. I can trade even while on vacation. I can, I just need my smartphone, right? I just need my smartphone and the trading applications, and that's all, right? So that's one of the reasons I love my freedom. I don't like to be tied down in an office, and all of that. So just try to figure out your why and write it down and always revisit those reasons. The next point here is have a roadmap. Have a roadmap. Set realistic target for yourself, right? In the next 2 years, what based on all you've known about the financial market, right? In the next 2 years, what is your projection? For the next 1 year, what is your projection? Set realistic goals for yourself, right? Because if you don't set goals, you would not achieve them, right? So the next thing is have an accountability partner. You need a learning mate. You need someone to, go through this journey with. trading is not a game of isolation. Trading is not a game, this is not a lone wolf kind of game, right? It's not a lone wolf kind of path. You need someone because there are times you might be down or you might feel discouraged. You just need someone to hold your hand, right? And you can also play that role in someone's story as well. So you need an accountability partner. Next, you need God in the process, right? You need God in this. You need a higher power. You need someone that can always, someone you can rely on, someone you can actually share the story and all of these things you're going, the emotions and all of these things you're going through with at some point, right? You need someone you can talk to. For me, I talk to God, right? Whenever I feel discouraged, I just talk to God, and afterwards I feel good, right? So you need God in this story. And the last point here is do not give up. No matter what, don't give up. Tell yourself you are going to become a profitable trader because you are actually not going to be the first person. You're not the pioneer, right? There are thousands of profitable traders globally. Make up your mind to be one of those. All right. Now, the next thing we'll talk about here is how to get the best out of this mentorship program. This is very important. Now, the number one thing is, like I already said, have an accountability partner. The number one thing here is share this mentorship program with your friend. Get your best friend on it. Get your siblings on it, right? Get your family members on it, your cousins, all of them. Go through this journey with them. Now, why this point is very important is when you watch after each of the videos, try to share the idea with your friend or your partner or your siblings or your learning mates, right? Try to share what you learned with that person and let the person also share what they learned with you as well, right? These will help you when you try to explain the concept you learned. It's going to help you with the understanding. Sometimes you get to even you get deeper understanding of the concept when you're trying to explain it to someone, right? When you're trying to teach it. That's why you need an accountability partner, right? So the number one thing, the best way to get how to get the best out of this mentorship program, number one, get an accountability partner. Number two, rewatch the videos over and over again, right? Watch the videos 2, 3 times over and over again until you understand every concept that is discussed, right? Then the number three thing is take notes. Don't be casual about this thing, right? Don't try to take it because it's a free program. Don't be casual. Get a note, get a pen, take notes of every class, of every section, and always revisit your notes. The number four is practice, practice, practice. After each video, go right to your chart and practice. Nothing will happen if you don't practice. Try to, whenever you watch a video, go to your chart immediately and try to practice. If you try to practice on your chart and you seem lost or you don't get it, come back to the video, watch the video again, and go right to your chart, right? And the last thing is answer the quiz in each video. Answer the quizzes in each video. In each of the video, I'm going to leave a quiz to test your understanding of the concept, right? And we answer the quiz in the comment section. So I can go through your answer and correct you if need be, or to congratulate you if you get it right. This way, you can, be sure if you're really following up with uh with the concept discussed, if you really understood it. All right. So guys, that will be all. So I have a question for you guys here. I believe you can see it already. So let me know in the comment section, what's your motivation for choosing to be a trader? Let me know why you want to be a trader. And the second question is, what do you think will be a hindrance for you in this journey? What do you think will be a possible hindrance for you? Let me know in the comment section, and let's see how I can, offer an advice or try to profile a solution for you, right? Because remember, I told you all that you are not alone in this journey. My job here is to hold your hand, right? If there is a need for me to reach out to you personally, I will do that. If it's to have a one-on-one section with you to probably answer your questions, or and all of that, I don't mind. I can devote that time for you. My greatest joy will be that at the end of this mentorship program, you become a profitable trader, that you become a good trader, right? That would be my greatest joy, right? Because once you become a trader, it means I have someone already in my corner that's a profitable trader, right? And this is what I look forward to. I want to have you all in my corner. I want to have you all on my group, right? I have a group for profitable traders, and I want you in that group. But you can only get in the group when you become a trader, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching this to the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video so other persons can see it. Share this video, like I already said, with your friends, and get them on as well, right? So see you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to be talking about how to use these trading view applications you're seeing before you, and how to set it up, right? So that will be all for now, guys. Peace.